Hello, and thank you for joining me for another edition of Drawing with V. Today we are going to make the Elsa one from Frozen 1. And tell me, are you going to go see the new Frozen movie, Frozen 2? It comes out in a few days. I know we are super excited for it in my house. I have two 6-year-old girls and they are very excited, so we will definitely be seeing that movie. And stay tuned because next edition I will be doing Elsa 2, Elsa from Frozen 2. Get started. Make sure to give a huge thumbs up and click on subscribe so you don't miss any videos, especially when we do Elsa 2. Also, you can check out my channel for more fun with Drawing with V. So let's get started on our little lovely girl who wants to dress up like Elsa today. Like I've explained before, I created all of these little lovely girls myself, and I also created a template to trace over just so things stay consistent and go a little bit faster for the videos. But like I've mentioned before, I don't consider it cheating in any way since I'm the one that came up with it to begin with. So it just helps things go a little bit quicker. Got our basic little lovely girl. Now we need to go ahead and Elsify her. Let's give her some Disney Elsa kind of hair. Let's see. She's got that piece coming down, Elsa does. And she has that really fun kind of up hairdo that's kind of all gathered in the braid there. And let's see, give her some ears. And you want to make sure it's nice and high there. Now I want my Elsa braid to come over the shoulder, but I'm gonna wait and do that after I get the clothes figured out for her. So I think we're just gonna leave it like that for now. Now we're gonna go ahead and do Elsa's outfit now. Okay, now that I've erased everything, I'm going to go ahead and add the braid on the shoulder now, because I really like the way that Elsa wears her braid over her shoulder. So I'm going to kind of have it come down and then up. Now we're going to start to add some details to her look. On her bodice, she has some sparkly sort of gems. We'll do it Little Lovely Girl style. And then her gown is kind of flowing. And on her cape, we're gonna go ahead and make a few snowflake, ice crystal shapes. And we're not going to add too much more detail. It'll just get a little complicated. Now the next thing that we need to do is go ahead and outline this with our ink pen. We have a fine tipped Pilot ink pen, and I'm going to go ahead and outline. Now the next step we need to do is take our large eraser and go ahead and erase any extra lines that you can see after tracing in pen. Okay, now our Elsa Little Lovely Girl is nice and clean and blank, just like a coloring page. So we're gonna go ahead and start coloring the skin tone. Now Elsa has a very light skin tone, so I'm going to go ahead and start filling that in. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill in her yellow hair. Now we're going to go ahead and do her eyes, and we all know Elsa has blue eyes, I believe. There you have it. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and click the subscribe button so you don't miss. Next edition, we are going to do Elsa from the new Frozen 2. And then after that, we'll be doing original Anna and Anna from the new Frozen 2. So stay tuned. Have a great day.